My name is Chris Padfield and I run with the family the Hawthorns Business Park, and we rent out 14 office units and 6 workshop units. When people get onto the site, they love it. It's rural, easy to park, good access. But the first question is, how quick is the broadband? Fastershire came out and explained that each individual business should access a £25,000 grant. But we were able to put 7 or 8 businesses together, so then we had a pot and we were able to go out to tender and we could use that grant money. It was 100% grant funded, so there was actually no cost to us whatsoever. And so it was a fantastic deal.
Broadband is essential for our economy, certainly today and definitely into the future. We've realised that for a long time. So we felt it's very important that we do what we can to help to deliver broadband to those harder to reach areas. And that was where the Fastershire project came out.
I'm James Warner, Managing Director of Glide Business. So we've gone and put in our own backhaul solution into the location, which provides superfast and ultrafast services to all the businesses on the site, but not without the support of someone like Fastershire in helping us to provide that commercial upfront support.
I'm Alan Calverley. I'm from the Department of Marketing, a marketing agency based here in Staunton. Before the broadband came, we did have problems with download. We do a lot of photography, videos and websites, and obviously the download speed was quite slow. So there was issues with that. So the broadband came in March, and that's had a massive impact on us, allowed us to download videos and brochures which perhaps previously we may have gone home and done, rather than actually do it here on site.
My name is Hugh Davey, and I'm the partner and managing partner of Fleet Solicitors. Well, certainly before we changed over to new broadband, which is much faster, we did find that the time of response for all of our computers was slower, and so that's been a great advance for the firm and allows us to provide a better service for our clients.
If you're interested, get in touch. Go onto the website, fill in the forms, pick up the phone, and we'll be there to help.